So here's the most powerful tip to save your paintings from going from failure to success. From this to this. So here's the secret. It's all about the values. You might be like me. You start out painting, it's looking great. Then afterwards, you notice that it's starting to not work out. Why is it not working out? It started so great. As you're refining away, it just ends up not working anymore. You put in all the colors in, you take a step back, then afterwards, it just turns into a blob. If this is you, this might be happening to you at this moment. Your values might not be working. As you're refining the colors, you might have forgotten to look at your values properly to check if they are all different values in terms of the scale. As you can see from this, you'll notice that my painting right now is all very flat. For one of these are all a giant blob of pretty much dark and black. So how do you fix this? By going back into the fundamentals and using your basic forms like the spheres, your rectangles, your cones, your cylinders. These basic forms are gonna go ahead and break it down so it's gonna show those basic shapes and values again. Once you fix your values showing your lights and the darks, this will make it easier for you to move on to the local colors and then afterwards to the lighting scenarios that you're planning to place on top of it. You can see from this truck right over here, I went from a blob to basic shapes, then afterwards I fixed the values for this truck. If this video is helpful so far, please do subscribe. This will help me to know to make more videos in the future about these type of topics. Back to fixing our values on this truck before adding more color into it. You might have either too much light or too much dark. This is one of those things that all beginner artists struggle with, is being able to separate the values from the light and dark. If you want more tips as to how to improve your values, I have a link below with a list of artists who are masters of values, which should be able to help you improve your own values as well. Happy painting, and until next time.